Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Hot Wheels US K case. US is the code. Typically when I get a US case, not all the time, but typically it comes from Mattel, and that is the case with this one. That is the case with this case. I've done an international K case already. K case is just hitting stores right now. Maybe the L case is just to follow because I'll be doing an L case unboxing as well. But let's get right to it. Thought about doing this one, I'll be out on the road, and I thought about doing this one out in like the last J case I did. Doing that one in a cool outdoor setting, but it is so hot, like it is everywhere in the United States right now, and that tends to mean bugs and everything else. So we'll see. Maybe I can get a couple other unboxings done, and we'll see how that goes. But let's just get right to it. I'm always like, I've already done the K case unboxing, so I'll try and remember, but here we go. Like I said, this one came from Mattel, so let's just start on it and go. These should be fairly quick because we already, we just need to walk through them. There won't be any surprises in terms of like cars that we've seen. Batman the Animated Series, oh look, right? Honda Civic Custom, there it is. That's the first version from last year, and the Chrysler Pacifica. Another Civic Custom. I mean, this will help you know what's coming. Quick Bite in the, especially here in the United States, and the Rescue Duty if you're coming across these cases. So it's not just what's in it, but it's also what multiples do we get. Mod Speeder, that I think, excuse me, debuts in this case. Count Muscula and the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. I believe that was in the J case as well. 87 Dodge D100, that is new to this case. The Toyota Supra, that is not new. That's Edith. She's angry about something. Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L. Maybe she just likes the fact that I found the Supra because it's a cool car. Mock-It Go. Oh, look. That's Batmobile. And the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. See, you lose track. When you start doing these unboxings so quickly, you tend to, when they come in so quickly. Brick and Motor. It's a good name. 2017 Audi RS6 Avant, love that car. And the Surf Turf. Love the recolor of the Stingray convertible. Tuned twin mill and the Solero GT. I think I mentioned this. I know I saw a 2024 model that's coming out with those wheels, and it's fantastic. More on that later. Dodge Viper. There's the recolor of the Hot Wheels Braille Racer, the twin mill in Zamak. It's just cool. It's just cool. And the 84 Mustang, I love the wheels on that one. No big surprises so far. Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution, Nissan Maxima Drift Car, recolor of that one, and there is another Batmobile. Sweet Driver, Honda Super Cub Custom. This one will be a Zamak later. Always like it. I think we got another plain Zamak coming, although I think there will be stripes on it. Forgot to look. I'll preview those soon too. Automobili Pininfarina Battista, that is the recolor. Corvette Gasser, love that one. Love the deco on that. And the Hot Wheels Papa Wheelie. Another Gasser, Roland Sold, and the tuned Silverado. Kind of a beach vibe on that one. That is the first half. Decent. Again, trying to remember what comes from each case. Let's see what the next half has to offer. And we start. Pontiac Firebird in blue, really nice color. Porsche 911 GT3 in red, really nice color. Good lighting right now, I think, when I'm filming this at dusk, because the gold wheels on that really pop. Tuned twin mill. Another Firebird, another Audi, another Supra. No complaints when you get multiples of some of these cars. Really important to get, like, you just know it's going to be popular, and you want to make sure that everyone gets a chance at them. There's the Mod Speeder. There is the 69 Shelby GT500. That would be the Supra in this case, correct? So we got a Spectre Flame Purple with real riders. I think I showed it when I did the International K case. So if you look at it, I think the Spectre Flame's going to pop, but there's one, maybe possibly people miss that. I like watching some of these in-store find videos and try and see. In fact, today as I'm filming this, I don't know when I'm going to be posting this video, I actually found my first Supra of 2023, and I almost missed it. You'll see that in a short. You probably will have seen it already by the time I post this video. Yeah, maybe not. We'll see. Lucid Air, I forgot to mention the Camaro there. Lucid Air in black, love it. Sweet driver, and there's that new limited grip, which is cool. Kind of dig that one. El Segundo Coupe, love the colors, power panel, and the lightning bug. Another Mustang, another Count Muscula, another Porsche looking good with those cold wheels. What is it about that? I should film at this time every night. Except that things change. All right, there's the recolor of the BMW 507. There is that fantastic, one of the best releases of the year, I think, Chevy Silverado. And there is the Drone Duty. Custom 11 Camaro, Mazda 787B, and the 1956 Corvette. Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400, Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300, and the Bricken Delivery. Dune Crusher, another limited grip, and the fantastic and looking beautiful Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. Another one of the best models of the year, in my opinion. Although nothing beats the Mercedes. 55 Chevy Bel Air, Gasser, the recolor in the Tri-5 Terror, tuned 83 Chevy, and another Ford Sierra Cosworth. And we finish off with that second Barbie car, which I know has been popular, surrounded by the Mad Splash and the Braille Racer. There's that Barbie car. We don't need to do highlights because we've already seen them. The recolor of the Porsche, the recolor of the Vette, the recolor of the BMW, that Mustang, that Silverado, all very, very cool additions as the K case hits. You guys tell me if you get lucky with that Mustang. It's a really nice Super. Thank you, everybody. Thanks, Mattel. Bye.